What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be continuing our series of bringing different app ideas to life. And so today we're going to be looking at another amazing app idea, which is called Shared Commutes. And basically it's an app like the carpooling apps that we have like Uber, Yango, and so on and so forth. But this comes with a little difference. In this time around, it's not really a service, but it's more of people who just carpool together, right? So you kind of share somebody's car and so on and so forth. So let's check out the app idea. Then we're going to bring this idea to life. So commuting alone wastes time and money and fuels congestion. Many commuters seek cost-effective, reliable ride sharing, but worry about safety and scheduling mismatches. This app matches drivers and passengers by route, schedule, and preferences, enabling recurring trips and one-off rides with secure payment. So it reduces emissions and travel costs while improving commute predictability. The platform adds environmental impact tracking, background checked drivers, and route optimization with live traffic data. It supports corporate programs and commuter reimbursement for broader adoption. So you see here, so this is the idea. We show this idea number 10. And so here you have the random idea, right? It's still very raw, it's still very rough. And so we are going to now bring this idea to life. If we wanted to create an app that looks just like this or that has this idea as inspiration, how do we do that? Well, we're going to be using the Google Stitch platform, which is a platform that lets us create mockups, create app designs, and many more other things. So I'm just going to clean this up with ChatGPT to come up with a clean prompt for this. And so we are going to clean it. And so we are going to come out with this, for example, design a modern, trustworthy web-based carpool booking platform called GreenRide that enables safer, more sustainable shared commutes for individuals and organizations. So ChatGPT just cleaned that out for us. Now we're going to use it to generate now our app. So we're going to go ahead, we'll stick with app, and then we're going to go ahead and send this prompt. Once we do that, we'll get this result. So coming now to the result, you can see it went with a green design. You can see the green color all over our design, and you can see now the different pages. So we're going to be exploring them. So here in our app, we're going to have our home page first, and you can see the title, Green Ride. It added a little logo. It added even the sign-in button. And so this is what it's going to look like. So you can see that Stitch was able to really generate even the content, even the text, and the different buttons. Get started, learn, choose your path, rider, driver, employer, why green ride. You see that it puts the advantages there. And there at the end, you have ready to make your commute, start your journey. So you can see it designed an amazing page already for us. So moving on to the next page, you see now once you select maybe a ride, I guess once you select maybe as being a rider or a driver, it takes you now to this page where you can see green ride matching. You can see all the rides available. Then you click on request ride. You can see now you have the bottom navigation as well, home, matches, messages, profile. You can see that I went with an amazing design and even integrated a map as well in this our design. There you can see the different people and the different rides available. So moving on to the next, you have your schedule. So you can see the schedule where you can program a ride, you can create a group and so on. And so you can see now that you have the details here with the schedule. So as I noticed, I've already noticed that the Stitch is very inconsistent with the bottom navigations. You can see that they are different while it's the same thing. So the same app. So here you can see now this is much more detailed. Here you have the home page, the schedule, the drive, the alerts, and your profile. So moving on to the next page, we have safety verification page where you can ID the driver and background and so on. You see the vehicle of the person and you have the live trip sharing, confirm and continue. So now you move on to the active trip. You can see now once you have an active trip arriving in 3 minutes, it gives you the details. So you can see that it really looks like Uber or Yango. You see that it's very detailed and it shows you the details. Then you move on to the next. You have I guess the profile of the person. You have the eco rewards, it's adding different things, department, leaderboard, and so on and so forth. And it goes with a different bottom navigation. Then you move on to the next page, Green Ride Corporate. You can see performance. And so it's kind of integrating the things we already mentioned in our prompts. They have the little chat, and then finally you have your profile page. So you can see just from a simple idea, you already have an app. You already have the design of your app and what it can eventually look like. So it's kind of great. It's kind of having an amazing design, and I really like this. So we left from a simple idea of shared commutes to with safe green app, carpooling and all, and then we now have an app design. So now we can leave from here to the code and start building on this application. So this is really great. It's another amazing idea we have brought to life through this tool. So yeah, so it's an amazing tool. Definitely check it out. And if you have any app ideas you would like to see come to life, then drop them in the comment section. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.